Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to bring some clarity to your drum bus. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. Simple drums, bass effect, and a vocal sample. So I'm gonna use Clariphonic by Kush Audio on the drum bus. It's a parallel equalizer. The interface is quite simple. So I'm going to use the mid-side mode. We're going to set our side to open, increase our clarity dial. For the mid, we'll push the focus. Notice that we have it on lift. Leave that on tight, and we'll set the side to diffuse. Alright, let's listen to it. Here is before. After. I'm gonna enable it while we listen to the drum bus so you can listen to the improvements. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.